Dad. Karma?
This month.
Get on. Action.
What happened to our old washing machine?
Mummy.
I'm going to buy a new washing machine because our old washing machine is broken. Why? Mom.
Until now, Appa's money will go to Mo. So sad.
Look at my eyes here.
We were going to buy a new washing machine at Good Guys, and we are almost at Good Guys. I'm with my mom and my dad. This is my mom. This is my dad driving. So yeah. Dun 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 dun. Right there. The Good Guys. We're almost there.
Let's see whether they are good guys or not. I want to look only good guy.
What? Wait, what?
Yes.
Nah. But you have to say what's the answer for that, Appa? We're here at Good Guys. The Good Guys. We're here and look at the inside. That's a washing machine. Are we gonna buy that one or not?
Slowly. Slowly.
I think we're gonna take this one only if Appa accepts.
Come, let's find it.
This washing machine looks cool. No, tower washer. Wash tower. That's a wash tower. Ooh, mommy, fancy. Mommy, it's only 279.
My heart is beating
We're
for
looking for a washing machine.
Coffee accessories. It's going fancier and fancier. My Appa, the cheapest one.
It's wearing the formal.
Yeah.
Hi.
Where? From there?
You wanna put there?
How will I fit? Ngalam jo bong ni metada. Nasa Appa. And it's still not here. Oh, there it is. Okay, they just put it in a random box there. Here it is, our washing machine. 3, 2, 1, go! Does it fit? No. But how will we get it out when we get home there? Bye.
Get it now. It's very tight spot.
Now it's hard for me to see you.
Ani,
That's me with the camera. Ask the mommy. She wouldn't let me talk.
Asi. Liar.
How do you